Hey everybody, welcome to the all-new 3116. As we always do, we're going to start here in the back of the coach, talking about the floor plan right here on the ramp door. This is an ideal toy hauler for those of you looking for a lot of space. You're going to have a 16-foot garage with an industry-leading 8-foot ceiling height. This has a cargo capacity of 4,008 pounds. You're going to have a total of 8 tie-downs. You're going to have a nice patio set. Being able to utilize this Happy Jack system, you have 2 true queen-size beds. Should accommodate comfortably 4, even possibly 5 campers. When you're bringing toys in and out of this coach, remember, you're going to be bringing a lot of debris. So the Lithium team added this TPO diamond plate, which is going to increase the life of your coach and help prevent all of that moisture from embedding itself inside this toy hauler. Lithium is hitting on what's trending. Very light, bright in colors, wood neutral tones, glass inserts with these upper cabinets. Your radio is integrated with USB and HDMI pass-through. So when you mount that TV, instead of having to run a long HDMI cable for an accessory item, something like a PlayStation 5, you can simply take that wire and put it into the face of the radio, and it will be passed through and project onto your TV. As you guys can tell, there's a lot of windows in this coach. So you're gonna get a lot of natural light, but more importantly, all of these windows will open. So you won't have to rely on that AC running all the time. Allow Mother Nature to cool your coach. Right off the bat with your reefer, 10.7 cubic foot. It is a gas combo, so obviously this is designed for those of you looking to go off the beaten path. Also, you have a nice 3-burner stove that is not going to inhibit your use of this counter space because it has a nice glass top that is flush with the pressed countertop with the soft beveled edge here. You've got 18 cabinet doors and drawers, including this pantry, where 4 shelves can be customized for your packing needs. A king-size bed is going to be standard. On both sides of the bed, you have these elongated nightstands integrated with wireless charging pads as well as outlets. So for your CPAP machines or any other electronic devices that you need to charge in the evening, you'll be able to do so here in the master suite. You have windows on both sides of the king-size bed, so you can open the blinds and let that natural light in, as well as sleep comfortably in the evening because these windows will open so you can get a nice cool breeze. Storage surrounds this entire king-size bed, including wardrobe closets on both sides. I hope that you like taking a look at the all-new 3116. This has a 16-foot garage, a king-size bed as standard, a 30-gallon off-grid fuel station, as well as E-rated tires, which are the highest rated tires in a towable toy hauler. For more information, go to heartlandrvs.com. Thanks, everybody.